It's all great to learn skills that are fun, like surfing, or interesting, like archery. But the last couple of years, this pandemic has taught me that survival is everything. Survival is everything. I don't know what to do in case of an emergency. I don't know how to start a fire. Can you find north naturally? I can't. And so, I want to change that. I'm Brittany. Welcome to Miscommunication. What is miscommunication? Well, that's me. Hello, Big Tree.
In survival, there is a survival priority to have positive mental attitude related with will to survive and how we endure. The first 24 hours is the most exhausting. The rule of threes is a golden rule of survival. It is very basic rule.
3 seconds without hope, 3 minutes without oxygen, 3 hours
exposed to the elements
meaning without shelter, 3 days without water, 3 weeks without food.
Yeah. We could die. Survival kit is a minimum items that can help us.
Okay.
And survival kit must consist of some elements. This is a ferrocerium rod. We'll make a fire with this.
It makes a spark.
Yeah.
No, don't use like this, but like this.
I wonder if it's the same with this. Here.
Yeah, I have fire. No.
Yeah.
That's cool. Oh.
Your first fire without matches.
My first fire. All right. You and I, the beginning of a very long relationship. I can feel my heart rate jump exponentially.
So we just found 2 trees that we can tie the hammock.
Okay.
Just relax.
Literally, when we first started trekking in here, I was just like, okay. My first hour into survival training was an experience. He gave me a good knife, which I was really excited to have, until I cut myself. I was literally in the jungle for maybe 4 minutes max before I already had an injury. Is this long enough? Ow.
Pretty good.
Very sharp.
I don't know if it was the knife or the...
I got it. Oh, you cut it off.
So when I think about the rules that he's already told me, which was the rules of 3, and I didn't really understand that until I went in there, and I was already really scared, and then my hands were shaking, and I cut myself with my own knife.
The feeling of loneliness and isolation could come suddenly. I have a trick to overcome the loneliness and isolation feeling. Keep playing.
Create challenges for
Yeah.
yourself.
Yes.
Keep playing.
Keep playing.
Where are you guys setting up?
Somewhere else.
Somewhere else.
So I've successfully set up my very first tent. Yesterday was the first time walking into the forest. Today is the first time I'll be sleeping out here. And my so-called teammates have just surprised me that they're gonna actually set up their tent away from mine. So I thought that my first night dealing with being out here alone was going to be 4 days from now. It turns out it's tonight. I literally set up my own version of Hunger Games. Except no one's out here trying to kill me. I just have to survive. I have to make my own fire.
Many of my students, in the first day in the jungle, on the first day, they tried to lit a fire along the night till the morning.
And they didn't give up?
Yeah, never give up. Do the next right thing.
What's the next right thing?
Yeah, things. Things. What lesson I have taught you yesterday? Yeah. You got it or not? You have to practice, practice, and practice.
Right, but we're gonna practice and get this fire started, and it's gonna run out in an hour, and I'm not gonna have any wood.
Don't worry. We will help you to find wood.
Let me tell you something. This survival shit, it is no joke.
The goal of your survival attempt is to get out from the situation alive.
Yeah.
You have to have something to hold on.
I was like, I don't know what to burn. I don't know if this is the right setup. I'm just not gonna have a fire. I was like, I'm just not gonna have a fire. I'm just gonna lay here and just be cold. I'm giving up. I'm giving up.
Yeah.
This is what it would be like if I was out here alone and in a real emergency situation. I would have not lasted one day because I gave up my will to even try to make a fire because I felt like it was too hard because I didn't know what I was doing. Could you imagine being out here having no clue how to do any of this?
Yeah, it is very stressful, and most of the survivors prefer to die.
Day one, he showed me how to make tinder out of the bamboo, carving it. And, I brought some with me, and once that ran out, I didn't know what to do. And I was not my best self. I totally freaked out. I got scared.
Making fire is the preparation.
The preparation.
Yeah, the tinder, the kindling, and the full wood. Cool. You have to prepare all.
I burned tampons, plastic bag, everything that could burn. I tried to burn to start that fire, and it didn't work, and I wasn't successful because I skipped some of the steps that Coach Mike had mentioned, which is start little. Literally, it's just about getting to the next step. So burn this, and then burn something just a little bit bigger. And once that could burn something just a little bit bigger. And once that could burn something just a little bit bigger. And then you got a fire. And I wasn't able to successfully do that until today. I was in a rush because I was so scared. I was like, I gotta get this fire started now. But the more I rushed, the more I just burned resources. And so you have to really have some fortitude to keep calm. So, day 2 in the forest alone. It's raining like hell, and I'm about to build a fire. Things have certainly escalated. It's raining real bad. I'm trying to be creative. It's definitely still raining. I have a strong feeling it's going to be raining all night. The good news is that this side of my tent is holding up, so my head will at least stay dry. The fire is underneath the tent, but the ground is soaking wet. So cut down some bamboo, made myself a little bamboo leaf carpet. I've never worked so hard for something in my entire life. I have successfully started this fire. And boy, did I learn a lot doing so. You're trying to slowly burn the wood, not create a blaze of glory kind of thing. And that was a really important lesson because I went through a bunch of logs thinking that I had to keep a blazing fire as opposed to a small, much more humbler one, like this little guy. So it's our last 2 days. We're going back into the jungle overnight.
Yeah.
And then you guys leave me there. Oh, I've asked permission to enter safely, to learn the lessons that I need to learn. 250 degrees southwest, continue to this next tall tree with the vines wrapping around the big trunk.
Oh,
the light gray one. Yeah, we're still going 250 degrees southwest, so keep heading that way.
And you see this fallen tree?
Yeah.
This is landmark for you.
Liana, bukan ya?
Mana?
Oh, is it? Oh,
Rekam dong.
He took my phone.
No phone. Yeah.
I'm sad. That was the thing that was gonna get me through this. Bye.
24 hours starts from now.
What time is it? 8:38. All right. If you would have told me 4 days ago that I'd feel this comfortable in the jungle, I would have thought you were crazy. For my examination, they gave me this military grade food ration. One block is about 300 calories. It is 7:33. It's been dark for only an hour. I'm realizing that my relationship to darkness has obviously changed. Keep the fire burning, keep the fire burning, keep it going hot. Could you imagine being humans running around in complete darkness at night? It is 11:40. I want to say that I'll appreciate every little thing. A spoon, dry socks, a mattress. But I appreciate feeling just a little bit closer to nature, actually. I'm happy I did it. I'm glad that I know these skills. I think that these skills are important. I'll definitely continue my education in survival training. Nature's no joke. That's that. It's morning time. It is 7:40. And I have 1 hour left. I have 1 hour left for my 24-hour examination. All packed. It's time to navigate out of here. That way. I remember this tree. I don't remember this trail, but... The water trail, the dry creek bed. I remember this tree. I followed the trail, but I took it a little far southwest than I needed to, so I found a road. I did it! I passed my examination. I survived 24 hours in the jungle by myself. These skills make me feel more secure in navigating the world. The hardest part was trying to get to sleep. I didn't get to sleep till 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I was just up. I won't always be in a metropolitan area. I won't always be in a city. I won't always be in a village. Sometimes I might just end up in nature. And having these skills make me feel a little bit more comfortable navigating through it. Leave nothing but footprints, kill nothing but time.
Yeah.
Take nothing
Take nothing but picture.
Take nothing but picture. I ain't down for that.